Generally, when we scan for stocks, we use technical criteria. We're looking for stocks that are setting new highs, that may be experiencing abnormal volume, or maybe trading above, let's say, moving averages, or have an overbought or oversold RSI. But we can also use fundamental factors to scan for stocks based on the company's actual performance. Whereas technicals relate to price and volume, fundamentals relate to the company itself. These may be profitability, share structure, average revenues, and a few other criteria. We can actually create scans for these fundamental factors using the Pro Scanner within Scanz. To get started, just open up the Pro Scanner and start adding your analytics. We'll start by adding a fundamental analytic, and we can choose between financials, which include revenue, profit, EBITDA, cash, debt, share structure, which includes market cap, the number of outstanding shares, the float, the percentage of insider ownership, the percentage of institutional ownership, and we can choose short interest metrics such as the shares short, the number of shares short the prior month, the percent change in short shares month over month, days to cover, and the short percent of float. I'm going to show you a few ways you can incorporate these fundamentals in your scans to find companies that interest you. We'll start by adding a share structure analytic, and we'll set this to market cap. So if you are interested in only trading small cap companies or micro cap companies, you might say you want to find stocks where the market cap is below 10 million. So I'll add 10 million, and then I'll say is less than or equal to. From there, I could continue adding other metrics to find the stocks I'm interested in. If I scan right now, I would see all stocks where the market cap was below 10 million. I could sort these by percent change to see which stocks are moving, or volume to see which ones are the most active, and then I could start looking for opportunities. I could also add other fundamental criteria. I'm going to get rid of this one right now and start looking at stocks that are profitable. So let me delete this rule and add a new rule. We'll choose the analytic, fundamentals, financials, and I'll say gross profit is greater than or equal to 1 million. I can scan that now, and this will show me all stocks where the company makes over $1 million. I can link this to my montage window and continue to research further. I can click on these tickers to see how well the stocks are performing. On the montage window, I can click on the fundamentals tab and review some key data. I can see the company profile, the share structure, the company financials, and the short interest in the stock. I could continue to click through all of these and do my research to find stocks that I'm interested in. I could also add these columns to my scan results, such as financials, gross profit, and review these next to the tickers in the scan results. If I wanted to add more fundamental rules, I could continue adding the rules that were relevant to my trading style. For example, if I was looking for short squeezes, I might use short interest analytics. If I was looking for stocks with high insider ownership, I might choose a percent insiders metric. It really comes down to the types of stocks you're looking for. Of course, you can also combine these with technical indicators such as price, volume, and anything that interests you from the charting perspective. To get started, it really is that simple. Load up Scanz, open the Pro Scanner, start setting your criteria, and start finding great setups. If you have any questions, just reach out to our support team and we're more than happy to help.